Officers are called to a serious crash after the driver, driving in the wrong lane, crashes head-on into another car driven by an elderly woman.
Hey, your off-duty deputy has a combative suspect over there.
Where they at?
Right over here.
You all right, one. Wait. What's she doing? Who is she?
She's the driver, wrong way, on purpose.
Okay, all right. Ma'am, look, sit there, okay? We'll go put her in the car. Get her.
That's her stuff she dropped.
What?
Right there, that phone and something else in that container. She's going to be combative more than likely.
All right, we'll put her in the wrap if she gets
Matt.
Stop.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Relax.
No, don't touch it. Leave it where it is. I just need somebody with eyes on
Hey,
it.
look.
Don't touch that. So
Stop, okay?
back away.
Stop what you're doing, okay? Stop. Walk on your own 2 feet. Stop.
What's your name?
Lorraine.
Hey, can you issue a trauma alert?
Yes. No.
I've already called it.
I already told
they're
the 911, the dispatch that we need she's having.
Do you guys, what's the nearest trauma facility?
Most likely Fort Walton Beach.
So this is the only one? Only one?
Well, there is ER in Navarre.
God.
Walk.
You can walk or you can be walked.
Hey, Rad, if you need to throw her in my back seat, you can.
Can someone go grab? She dropped a bunch of stuff over there. Can somebody
We'll put it
grab
back
it?
to
We'll
your
show you
car.
where it is.
I like your door. Hold on. Wait, stop. You need medical treatment? Yes or no?
She says earlier she don't care if she almost killed somebody. It's their bad.
Oh.
Go 9 yards. She's not acting like she needs medical treatment. We going here or yours?
We'll go with that one.
All right, we got to drag you. We'll drag you.
Hey man, my fingerprints are on those as well. I tried to pick them up. I didn't know.
Okay, you're good.
So.
I think that was it.
Okay.
Through her phone when I got her out of her car. She came, stood right here, and then threw down whatever that vial is, and then threw her AirPods down.
Did you seen what happened?
Yeah, I had to swerve her ass.
Okay.
She hit the car right. I mean, me in that car. I was in that black Nissan. She was right. I mean, we were right next to each other. She was coming square for. I mean, she was swerving into whoever she could hit.
Okay.
And so when I swerved, it just barely caught this lady.
Okay.
And I mean, when I pulled her out of the car, I was like, "What are you doing?" She said, "I don't care anymore. I don't want to live anymore. I don't care anymore."
Okay. So you guys were traveling
This way. She was coming down our lanes. I mean.
Okay, so she was
swerving
traveling
any car.
that way
Yeah.
in this lane.
Yeah.
Okay.
Swerving to anybody she could hit.
Okay.
And then when I pulled out of the car, that's what she said. She said, "I don't care anymore. I don't want to live. I don't care."
Okay. And this is our car?
This silver one, yes, with the no hubcaps on right here. This one right
Okay.
directly in front of you.
Okay. Thank you. If you could just stand by for a little bit.
Be en route with the rap. This could be an intentional act, and suspect is combative. Hey, just put it on.
Okay.
We'll just let her sit right there.
All right. I got her if you want to go handle business.
Huh?
I got her if you want to go handle business.
Yeah. Just hang on for it. All right.
Did you see what happened, ma'am?
I did not. I'm a nurse, and I heard it. I was a couple car lengths back. I didn't see anything, so I just jumped out of my truck and to offer aid, but there was already a nurse on her.
Okay.
If you just find the witnesses and
Yes, I found one. He saw everything pretty much. He pulled her out of the car too.
Okay.
And that's when she started making statements of, "I don't want to live anymore."
Okay.
Or I want to kill myself.
Okay. All right.
I know that couple that's right up here in this SUV, off to the right, they had to swerve to miss her.
Okay. All right. Negative, sir. This gonna be intentional.
Firefighters and EMTs work on stabilizing the elderly woman who took the full force of the girl's car.
That's why I'm here.
Oh, is it y'all's?
She didn't hit nobody in the city.
Oh, okay. All right.
She didn't hit nobody until she got here.
The left, she okay?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Just hang tight.
Listen, I didn't know who you were. I
Oh,
thought
I
you
know.
were someone
No,
to pick
no,
up
no,
traffic.
no,
Okay,
no,
now
I
I'll
know.
stop.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, it's all good. That car almost hit me. I go, I know they're going to hit somebody. Dude, my sister was in that little Tacoma, and I thought she was going to get it.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
my sister, my mama.
Okay, all right. I appreciate you stopping, man.
Yeah, man.
She's trying to scratch me as well now, so be careful. All right,
their hands.
All right, listen. How old are you? How old are you? Huh? Can you tell me how old you are?
No idea. Well, she's a driver, intentionally.
Hey, stop. Will you stop?
Oh, yeah.
Stop. Who do you want touching you?
Any of you guys?
Okay, well, we're going to touch you, okay? So tell me what's going on.
Are you hurt?
Can you get me off the floor?
Okay, can you act like a human being?
I am.
Okay, and stop acting like an animal and dropping your weight on us?
Can you take the cuffs off?
No, that is not happening. That is not happening.
Or can I sit up so I'm not on the floor?
Okay, are you going to act right?
Yeah.
You work with us, we'll work with you. We're going to lift you, all right? There you go.
Come here.
We'll
I'm
let you sit down in the car.
not. Stop dragging your feet.
not.
Yes, you are. Stop. Sit here.
All the way inside?
Yes, all the way inside.
Can you take these off?
No. What's your name?
Hey, I'm going to run down.
Okay, all right.
there, check.
Okay. What's your name? Okay. You can be booked into the county jail as Jane Doe, okay?
Okay.
All right. Hey, Deja, come here. Get back out. Because you got to get searched. Search her, please. Stop.
Oh, wait, please.
Sorry.
Right, turn around. You have anything on you that's going to get you in trouble?
Spread your legs for me. Okay, stop.
You know about how fast he's going?
How fast were you going? Approximately. How fast you think you were going when you hit that car?
Where's her car?
Her car is a silver Nissan Sentra right there with the...
Stop.
All right, have a seat. Kick your shoes off, please. Put your foot back in there. What is your name, ma'am? What's your name? Are you not gonna give me your name? That's just making this process longer, okay? Tell me what's going on today. Why are you so upset? Can you tell me what happened to make you so upset?
Ma'am, I've got the husband on the phone of this lady right here. He's at the very beginning of the bridge right there. So he's very close. Is there a way to get him down here possibly? Or
I won't be able to do that right now, but if he's able to come around.
Sir, as soon as it clears, can he get to the is there a way to cut around?
I was videotaped this gentleman when he put her under arrest initially. He's off duty. I have him on video. He asked me to record him taking her down because she was being combative.
The off-duty deputy details what he saw in real time driving next to the girl.
Oh my God.
I thought she was having a medical episode at first.
Where were you at when it happened?
I was headed that way.
Okay.
And saw the wrong way driver because I was in the fast lane.
Okay.
So I tried to stop her, but I had in the car with me. But
yeah, of course.
she was laid back, just relaxed. I'm thinking if she passed out, is she diabetic in a coma or whatnot and everything. And I tried a U-turn to get up to her because I was going to try and like get in front of her and slow her down. But she wrecked out before I could catch back up with her. After they pulled her out, she was making statements and wanting to harm herself and whatnot.
Can you tell me what happened to make you so upset?
Yeah, so the call came him and us that she hit the Brooks Bridge and then immediately went into eastbound lanes going westbound, and she's just been traveling the whole way through.
Well, what was the exact statement she made about she didn't care if she hurt somebody?
When I got her on the ground and she was being combative, I told her to calm down. She almost killed somebody. She was like, I don't care, it's their bad. She passed me. She was laid back. And I thought, is she just out with her eyes open or what? But laid back, not a care in the world, looked on her face like resigned is the only way I can state it. So I flipped around. I was going to try and get in front of her to slow her down, like to stop her because I got the big SUV, but I couldn't get in front of her. She had already hit her by the time I had caught up. I saw it when everything went crazy. When I went to go check on the old lady, because people were screaming about the old lady being in there and needing medical attention, the old lady was driving.
Yeah.
But when I cut the airbag free, I was like, that's not who I saw driving. But then they said it's her standing over there.
48.
So I looked over and she was on in the all black with her hoodie up. So then I was like, ma'am, were you driving the other car? Because I couldn't see her face that well. But when she looked up, I was like, yeah, that's definitely a driver. So she started doing the whole backing away and stuff like that. So I detained her at that point because I didn't want to run and I didn't want to pull out a weapon.
How old is she? I don't know. She won't tell me her age.
His call, she's
an adult,
20.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, she's a missing adult.
Intentional traffic homicide. Or traffic homicide.
Just wearing my costume. No, hey, just leave her in there. If she's acting crazy,
She's calmed down a lot.
And you said, what was it which you asked her?
Hey, turn around for me, okay? Deja, you give me a pair of cuffs? You give me a pair of cuffs, please? Turn around. Hey, listen, the ambulance is about to leave, okay? Do you need medical treatment before they leave? Huh? No. Okay. All right, you can relax. Hey, appreciate you.
Yeah.
Calm. You gotta do crash report?
Well, it's not a crash report, is it?
Yeah, she crashed into that car, intentionally.
And this Kia?
Yeah, she hit that. She hit that one.
That's a traffic homicide.
She clearly knows what's going on in this world.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
She's in her right mind.
Yeah, she's in her right mind. She clearly knows what's going on. So, Deja, you can go ahead and take her to booking.
That's my daughter's name.
And we charging her with aggravated battery. On that. Yep, aggravated battery with the other way.
Was there
Does she
a
have keys inside of her car?
I didn't check.
crash at all, or was it?
What? Oh. No, I mean, she just drove her car into another car.
If it was an intentional act, that's criminal.
100% it was intentional. When she passed me,
Don't do a
I
traffic
thought
crash.
she was in a. No, I would not do a
No,
traffic
because
crash.
this, if I intentionally ram your car, that's a crime. That's not a traffic crash. That's not an accident. That's a deliberate and intentional act.
100%.
Otherwise, you wouldn't be charging her with agbat. You'd be charging her with, reckless driving, wrong side of divided highway, something like that. Quit messing with her. She's like, don't you do a crash? No, you don't do a crash.
It's an intentional act.
She's like, oh my God, I gotta do both. But no, quit. Like, damn, Raph, quit messing with her. You're driving her crazy.
The girl's parents arrive on scene and learn what happened.
I believe my daughter is involved with this.
She's in the back of that car, okay? So she's gonna be arrested today, okay?
Can I talk to her?
Not right now. Hold on for a second, because she is very. Can you at least give us her name?
Anicia Giants. Can I verify that it's her at least?
Yeah, we know it's her. We know it's her. Yeah,
Okay,
we know it's
she's
her.
Manic right now.
Yeah,
she's
she's
just
in
I
trying
understand,
to-
but
manic episode.
yeah, she's gonna be arrested today though, because what she did was an intentional act. Okay, she intentionally
Is the
hit
other
this lady
person
right here.
okay?
Okay, she's going to the hospital. I don't know how well she's doing. I didn't really get to talk to her, but yeah, she is going to be arrested today.
Okay.
For,
And then it's
and this is your vehicle right here.
It's mine.
that's
Okay,
hers.
yep,
Okay,
yep.
so we'll worry about the car right now. So the woman is getting taken care of, correct?
Yeah, she's going to the hospital.
Is she going to be seen, like taken care of, like assessed? Because she
she'll be
is.
seen. Yeah.
That's literally. I just drove from Texas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And this happened like 20 minutes ago. She just took off, and so that the whole point was trying to get her assessed. But the fact that she's an adult, we can't force her to do that. So I just want to make sure she's taken care of, and then of course, like, do you need our information or anything like that?
Oh, we got her name because her name's on the tag, so we got her information. She's 20 years old, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Yeah, well, what's gonna happen is, like today, she's gonna be arrested, okay?
Yes.
She made all kinds of statements when we got out with her. That,
What was she saying?
well, you'll read that all in the report, okay? We're not gonna release that information right now, okay? But she made all kinds of statements that led us to believe she knows exactly what she's doing, okay? And so she's gonna be arrested for aggravated battery today.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah, I mean, I totally understand, and we'll take care of all that.
Okay.
It'll be getting handled in court and all that. I just want to make sure, one, that woman's taken care of,
Yep.
and then that she gets the medical attention
Yep.
she needs,
Yes, sir.
because she's definitely not.
So
in
she
her right
denied,
mind.
we asked her multiple times if she needed medical treatment. She said no.
Okay, and then that's my concern is, like, is there any way you guys can take control over that and get her assessed?
Yeah, so when we get to the county jail, we fill out an intake sheet, and it says, do we think that she's a harm to herself? we'll check yes, and they'll take care of it from there.
Okay.
All right.
From that, when she gets out, I highly recommend you guys going down to Oklahoma County Courthouse and filling out an ex parte.
Can we get your her name? Because she hasn't given it to us yet.
It's Alicia Drimes. ANESSIA.
Okay, all right, thanks.
The elderly woman victim who the girl ran head-on into was transported to the hospital with major, but thankfully non-life-threatening injuries. After her arrest on February 18, 2023, the woman was charged with aggravated battery with a deadly weapon, in this case being a car, and resisting an officer without violence. Under Florida law, a vehicle can be considered a deadly weapon when it's used in a way that causes serious injury to another person. Court records show that on November 15, 2024, a judge determined she was legally insane at the time of the offense. Because of this, the case did not move forward as a traditional criminal conviction. Instead, she was placed on a conditional release program supervised by a forensic mental health specialist in Okaloosa County. Under that program, she must follow strict treatment and supervision requirements and cannot leave the local area without court approval. Records indicate that she has remained compliant with the conditions of her release, and the available documents do not confirm whether she served time in jail between her arrest and the court's rulings. In cases like this, defendants are often held for psychiatric evaluations or supervision while the case moves through the legal process. Now, it's also important to note that this case remains open, meaning the court continues to monitor her compliance with the conditional release plan. Now, to be honest, I think this was a bit unexpected. I didn't think they would charge her with being legally insane at the time of this offense, considering it did seem she was in distress, but at the same time was still in control of her mental status. But once again, these are just my observations. Let me know what you honestly think down below in the comment section. As always, be safe out there. All suspects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.
Search her, please.
Stop.
Oh, please.
Sorry.
Right, turn around.
Sir, as soon as it clears,
Can we get to the... How fast you think you were going when you hit that car?